Guys, if you want to solve this Rubik's Cube, look at it. Look at it. You can solve my Rubik's Cube. Whoever like and subscribe too, okay? Okay, so what are you gonna do? Okay, so you guys. See it? I know you see it, you guys. Okay. Anyway, okay, you guys, I have a plan. I'm not gonna do being face cam today, so I'm just gonna leave this phone recording until, like, comment down below on my YouTube channel. Oh fuck. Okay, it's right here. It's good. Okay, you guys, if you can solve that. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube on my nether phone. Yes, my hair is getting long. You guys, like and subscribe, comment down below if you're done. Okay? Make sure to solve it like this. Okay? Send me a picture. Okay, you guys, send me a picture. I know it's gonna be hard, but we're gonna be recording for a long time. Okay? I'm gonna teach you how to do the scenario.
Really simple. We've already technically so this is a second is a reboxing, deboxing. Many different things. Very nice.
Keep working on it. Guys, let's subscribe to Let's Play. Buy his merch. Let's merch. He has 3K subscribers, I think. Fuck. 12,000 views on this video. Did you see that? My kitty just ran past me. Typical gamer, if you know this guy, he's a really good YouTuber.
Josh, you don't have to respond to so mad at me. Why would I? Maybe because I dumped you 2 months ago? I wouldn't blame you. Everyone, hear from me again. Okay, good to know. That's a bit of a relief, actually. What's that? I know this is going to sound weird, but... What's the matter with you?
Kitty. I know you saw my kitty cat. let me go show you my kitty cat, okay, you guys? Don't be mad at me, okay? Just my kitty cat. Look. Let me record you, okay, kitty? Okay. So, my kitty is right there. Kitty bug. Look. Does my kitty look cute? My kitty does look cute. Watch. But watch. If I lose my phone down here, I'm fucking mad. Kitty, move. Hold on. I get my phone. Sorry, you guys. I was gonna make it under the bed, but my phone was like that. Do you know this guy right here?
First one can open.
Typical gamer.
Comes off clean.
Typical gamer. Okay, back to the video. I can't see it. Hold on. You can see it. I didn't even know how to solve it. I didn't even know how to solve it, but I did solve it. Get closer.
Part 9 level 32 Captain. Jason counts the cards and with 3 swipes. That is absolutely cool. Let's unlock that. So that's going to be that one there. And then we have all the ones for Savini. So the only things we have to unlock now are these wonderful sort of graphical that ended. We're going to go ahead and get
Oops. Oh my gosh.
Body slam, a head first body slam right to the ground. Let's go ahead and buy that.
Oh, this is gonna take 35 minutes, probably 2 hours. I'm just gonna.
Eye gouge, don't look at me, that's what it says.
Oh, fuck.
Head crush, grab counts and 10 crush it. Alright. And then we got head squeeze, counts around, squeeze their head until it pops. And then finally we have head stomp, which is imagine a boot stamping on a human face. There we go.
I'm gonna end the video in a little bit.
Single kill that Jason could possibly get. And I want to roll with this guy because I want you to get all his abilities.
Guys, do you know this guy right here? Yeah, let me pause the video. Typical gamer. If you know that guy, go subscribe to him. He's playing Jason. He's playing Friday the 13th. Ow.
Buying counts are perks. I think that is so, how much CP do you have? Oh god, I got 4,000, so I'll be back in a bit, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hold up these perks are what you can put to any counter. These sort of give you benefits like this one here, generate less noise while sprinting, and sort of the most turns red, followed by orange, followed by yellow, followed by blue, followed by blue. Worst and best. Let's roll perk. Come on, give us some good stuff, give us some good stuff. Friendship.
British.
Not look like it's gonna be good. This is decent friendship. Let's roll them and then let's look at them.
Gonna be the mother.
That might be pretty good. That can be good stuff.
The profile.
I feel like the rolling perks takes longer though. Oh, I think that might be a. Both speed toss you if I grab the helm. How much is that? 5% of the get that. How often do you escape in a battle? Start the battery with the best hand. Pretty normal. This is better. Jason's traps easier. Door open. Then we'll see which ones we don't need. Unmatched ultimate man.
You guys can see. There you go. Fuck. Oh, it's not uploaded yet. Okay, okay, I love you guys. Peace. Comment down here. Oh, I have to.